Verb to be. The verb to be in the present simple tense. Its form in affirmative statements. I plus am plus a noun, an adjective, a job. I'm Jane. I'm beautiful. I'm a doctor. He, she, it, plus is, plus a noun, an adjective, a job. He is Peter. He is fat. He is an engineer. They, we, you, plus are, a noun, an adjective, a job. They are Americans. They are happy. They are clowns.